Hi, I am Maija and this is the story of Luna Triple. Luna Triple is one of our most popular profiles and the idea came from one of our oldest customers from Belgium. The development of Luna Triple started with the need of functionality. Instead of installing individual battens, you can use a full tongue and groove profile with always even batten size and even gaps in between of the battens. Luna Triple can be used both outside and inside, both horizontally and vertically. The battens are not fully rectangular, so the water will fall off. Luna Triple is manufactured out of Nordic spruce, which gives its authentic look for the surface. The look is characterized by round, rustic knots. Luna Triple has been recognized by architectural community and it has won several design awards. Due to its popularity, we have developed a full 3D family out of Luna Triple. For example, here we have a combination of Luna Triple and Luna Duple, and you can also get Luna Triple with Arctic finishing. Luna Triple is a product for multiple end uses. You can create wall and ceiling surfaces with a distinctive batten look and easy and fast installation.